on this, mateys.
Gibbs in the Malkoon map. In At World's End, we are first introduced to the Malkoon map, also known as the navigational charts. Will Turner gets these charts from Sao Feng in Singapore, and the crew of the Black Pearl uses them to find Davy Jones's locker to rescue Jack. After rescuing Jack, the crew also uses the map to come back to the world of the living. At the end of the film, Barbossa announces to his crew that there's a map to the Fountain of Youth on the charts, but it's revealed that Jack cut out the map and has a portion of it for himself. In the beginning of On Stranger Tides, Gibbs takes the map from Jack, and he says to Barbossa,
I had just enough time to study those infernal circles. Every route, every destination, all safe in here.
Since Gibbs studied every route on the map, what does this mean for future films? Do you think Gibbs will use his knowledge of the map to help the crew chart courses to future locations? Gibbs' knowledge of the map could come in handy once again. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Pirates videos. And remember, dead men tell no tales.